Costs and time. Budgeting for a certain item is all about managing costs and time. Those are the two most important factors, the cost of the item and the amount of time that you have to save for the item, or the amount of time until you need that item in the future. So for example, if Ben saves $35 per week for the 9 weeks that he works over the summer, how much will he have saved? So the savings are going to be equal to, well, he's saving $35 per week, and he does that for 9 weeks. So we multiply by 9 weeks. So the mathematics that we have to do is 35 times 9, which is $315. So if he puts $35 per week away for the summer, at the end of the summer he'll have $315 saved up. Let's go through another example. Camosun College offers a welder training program that's 28 weeks of full-time school. The estimated cost for the entire program is $4,100, which includes student fees, textbooks, and supplies. So that includes all the educational costs, but note that that does not include the groceries and transportation, rent or mortgage payments, any of that stuff that is part of a budget. So this is just the amount for the actual schooling. So if Jennifer works full-time for 6 months before the program starts, how much does she need to save up each month to afford the program? And again, this is just the educational cost. So we're going to be calculating the savings per month. How much she needs to save each month. So to do that, we're going to take the cost and divide it by the time. So the cost is $4,100, and the amount of time she has is 6 months. So $4,100 divided by 6 months, we're going to get $683.33 per month. That's how much she needs to save to afford just the tuition part and the student fees and all that, but the education part of the program. And then she's still going to have to find a way to pay for all the other cost of living things while she's going to school full time. So one more example here. Mary wants to go on a road trip with some friends, and she's estimated that the total cost will be about $1,400 for the 2-week road trip. So let's say that she can save $75 per month. How long will it take her to save that money? So in this question, what we're being asked to find is time. How long will it take? In this case, the cost that we're concerned with is $1,400. Notice that how long the vacation is doesn't matter. What matters is the cost of the vacation and how much she can save per month. So this is her per month savings here. So to find the amount of time it's going to take, we need to take the cost and divide it by the savings per month. That's going to tell us the number of months that's going to be required to save that $1,400. So the cost is $1,400, and Mary can save $75 per month. So you can see that what we're doing is we're turning that $1,400, we're dividing it into $75 increments. That's going to leave us with the number of months that she needs to save that money. And if I do that calculation, I get 1,400 divided by 75 is 18, then I'll round to 1 decimal place, 0.7 months. If you think about this in terms of years, 12 months in a year, 18 months is just over a year and a half, but it's about 1.5 years. That's a long time to be planning in advance of a road trip. So if instead Mary goes, oh no, I want to do this road trip much faster than 18 months, or my friends are free in 4 months, how much does she need to save if she wanted to go on that trip in 4 months? So now we're doing a calculation that is again savings per month, and we would have to take the cost of that trip, $1,400, and divide it by 4 months, and then we'll get the dollars per month that she needs to save. So if I do that calculation, I get $350 per month, and this is a lot higher than what she's currently saving. So she might need to use this information to adjust how much she's saving, which might mean cutting back on other areas of her life, like eating out less, or maybe she needs to think about taking the bus to work instead of driving, because driving can be very expensive in gas and insurance costs. Anything that she can do to help her go from saving $75 per month up to $350 per month.